Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to delve into a programming problem that many might find puzzling. The issue at hand revolves around passing functions as parameters in C++. We'll explore the nuances of different approaches in calling functions and uncover how the language handles such situations. So let's dive into this interesting problem and unravel its inner workings. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem we've just discussed. When passing functions as parameters in C++, it's important to note that functions are automatically adjusted to pointers before being passed. This adjustment affects how the function types are deduced and handled within the code. In the context of our example, the different ways of passing functions by value, by reference, or by const reference result in variations in how the function types are treated. Ultimately, the distinctions boil down to how the function parameters are deduced and utilized within the program. In summary, when dealing with passing functions as parameters in C++, there are key considerations to keep in mind. Understanding how functions are adjusted to pointers and references is crucial in grasping the behavior of function calls. Despite the variations in passing functions by value, by reference, or by const reference, the ultimate functionality and implications remain largely the same. So, next time you encounter such scenarios in your code, you'll be well equipped to navigate them with confidence. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, coding can be fun and full of surprises,